Hello everyone, just a quick video today to show you the amazing amount of vintage shops that there are available in Barcelona, suggested to me by my dear friend Paulita. The majority of these shops are located in Carrer dels Tallers. I hope that I pronounce it right, but few of them they are outside that area, by the way, always in more or less in the same area. They are all amazing, a bit pricey. I'm used to charity shops in England and they are super cheap, but you can definitely find some amazing pieces of clothing. So I highly suggest you to take a look around if you like vintage. The last one is absolutely my favorite one. Enjoy!